case briefs, and so much more. LSDa's got what you're looking for.
In 1978, a landmark case shook the foundations of environmental, moral, and legal obligations. At its core lay the intention of two corporations, Vermont Yankee Nuclear Power Corp. And Consumers Power Company, to construct and operate nuclear power plants. An endeavor of this magnitude, however, quickly sparked a litigious flame. The Atomic Energy Commission, given the jurisdiction to issue permits and licenses necessary for the construction, came under legal scrutiny by the Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. The latter expressed deep concern over the absences of environmental considerations in the planning of these projects. As a response to these concerns, the Atomic Energy Commission sprung into action, initiating rulemaking proceedings. However, these efforts were swiftly judged as insufficient by the Court of Appeals. They worried the absence of effective rulemaking held the potential for severe ramifications and deemed the Commission's proceedings inadequate. The Commission, undeterred by the stance taken by Court of Appeals, elevated the matter to the Supreme Court. Here, the High Court surprised many by interpreting the situation differently, standing against the judgment of the Appeals Court. The Supreme Court reinforced that the Atomic Energy Commission, like other governmental agencies, had broad discretion in determining its procedures, provided they were within the minimum statutory requirements set by the Administrative Procedure Act of 1946. Only constitutional constraints or extremely compelling circumstances could restrict this powerful discretion. Going a step further, the Supreme Court nullified the obligation for agencies to exceed procedural requirements for complex procedures. Thus, the court reversed the decision of the Court of Appeals and remanded the case for further review under the provisions of the Administrative Procedure Act and the bounds of the Atomic Energy Commission's discretionary powers. The ruling clarified not only the entrenched limitations of court authority, but that the regulatory powers of agencies should remain undisturbed, barring remarkable tribulations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSDa's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.